This is magic. Okay, it's a magic eraser. That's exactly what it says on the box. And they claim it takes out any kind of ink or marker stains out of most surfaces. So to put that to the test, I decided to draw with a permanent marker all over my Porsche leather seat and see if this really works. Permanent marker. Now to get it out, all you gotta do is just get this magic eraser wet and go to work on it. Whew, that scared me for a second. I thought I wasn't going to be able to get it out, but they claim it works. So if you ever get ink stains or marker stains on your leather seats, then definitely give this a try. However, I would highly suggest putting on some protection cream after this, because I'm sure that whatever is in this magic eraser probably took out along with the marker. It probably took off some protection off the leather. So swipe it down, then apply some protection cream on it. Anyways, thanks for watching. So now if you ever get a marker stain on your leather seat, you could try using magic eraser.